Tonight, a crucial local service in Eugene is facing a funding crisis, and it's a situation they're not alone in, I should say. We thank you for joining us. I'm Matt Templeman. Restored Connections Peer Center and nonprofits across Oregon are feeling the strain from both state and federal cuts, and concerns are growing about looming federal cuts to Medicaid. Reporter Madison Yeesh spoke with staff at the Pearl Buck Center, another organization that could be heavily impacted.
Restored Connections Peer Center, a vital resource for people recovering from addiction, is facing a 75% funding cut from state resources, meaning it may have to close its doors.
Across the state, just like the rest of our nation, we know that we are struggling with finances. And so we're not alone in the funding cuts.
RCPC isn't the only local nonprofit facing uncertainty. Here at the Pearl Buck Center, they're worried about potential federal cuts to Medicaid and Medicare, raising even more concerns about the future of community care. Currently, the Pearl Buck Center estimates the state would need at least $558 million just to bring care up to where it needs to be. And that's before potential cuts under the Trump administration's proposed budget.
The biggest majority of that's going to have to come from Medicaid spending, and the services for home and community-based supports for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities are greatly funded by that.
67,000 children and adults in Oregon have an intellectual or developmental disability, and that's just part of an estimated 5.2 million individuals across the country. Resources like the Pearl Buck Center are critical to help those individuals to attain and maintain jobs and to learn how to live independently. Despite the challenges, staff there say they aren't losing hope. They know even small efforts can make a big difference.
But, I always get invigorated by opportunities to reach out to help affect change. The people that I support here, I see our impact every day. Ooh, I get a little emotional. And it's really great to be able to work with them and know that our impact is small in our community, but it's great for them.
Both organizations are urging the community to reach out to policymakers as they fight for state and federal funding. Reporting in Eugene, I'm Madison Yeesh.